So when you open your Xampp server and start Apache and MySQL, you will see there is a problem that the MySQL shut down automatically and gives the error MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So in this video I will show you how you can fix this error. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just subscribe and like the video. So first of all, you need to go to the directory where you have installed your Xampp server. Like in my case, I have installed that in D drive. So here you can see this is a Xampp. So in this folder you will see there is a folder MySQL. Go there, and here is a folder backup, and another folder is data. So this data folder is actually corrupt now, that's why Xampp server is not being started. So now what you have to do is to rename this folder data, let's say old, and then you have to copy the backup and paste it, and now you have to rename this as data. So now if you open your Xampp server and turn this on, you will see that error has gone. So now let's check out if the database is working properly or not. So write localhost / phpMyAdmin. So here you can see it's all working. You can create new database, or if you already exported your database, you can just click on import and choose those SQL files here and imports previous database. And in case if you don't want to create new, or you do not have any backup of your databases, so you can just go to your data old folder, and here you can see you have all the database. So let's say this is my database, just copy this and go to here data folder and paste it here. So if you refresh this page, you will see this database is now here. So that's how you can fix this issue. If you like the video, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.